गोंय पुलिशेन सगळ्यान व्हड छापो कांदोळेन मारला. कांदोळेन मारिल्ल्या छाप्यान सुमार 3 कोटीचो ड्रग्स जप्त केल्ल्याची म्हायती उत्तर गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक उत्कृष्ट प्रसन्नान पर्वरी ताच्या कार्यालयान पत्रकार परिशद घेवन पत्रकारांक दिल्या. कोळंगूट पोलिसांनी मारिल्ल्या छाप्यान एका नायजेरियनाक धरला. ताचे कडल्यान सुमार 3 कोटींचो ड्रग्स कोळंगूट पोलिसांनी जप्त केला. तशेंच 2 लाख रुपया जप्त केल्ल्याची म्हायती अधीक्षकान दिल्या.
It was found that one Nigerian national was living in that premises. It was one of the rooms in that premises, and different kinds of substances which are suspected to be narcotic substances were seized. So this includes around 2 kilos of more than 2 kilos of substance which is suspected to be MDMA, around more than 1 kilo of substance which is suspected to be cocaine. More than 700 grams, around 740 if I'm not wrong, grams of substance which is suspected to be amphetamine. More than 100 grams of charas and more than 1 kilo of substance which is suspected to be ganja. Subsequent investigation is on in the case. The quantities which I have just shared to you, they are not exact quantities, they are approximate quantities. The exact quantities form a part of the Panchnama and of the FIR, and currently we are investigating the case. We have also seized the mobile phone of the accused person, who is a Nigerian national. I think all of you have already been shared the name and details, his age of the accused person. He also has 2 involvements of cases against him. We'll be looking into the matter right now. We don't have details regarding his the stage of trial. That we'll have to check that. But this seizure is one of the biggest seizures done by Goa police in recent times. And also some cash was also seized. Around 2 lakhs cash was also seized. So the total seizure we are approximately calculating it to be around of 3 crores, which in itself is a very big achievement for Kalangut police station. And as it is, everyone at Goa police is very steadfast in taking action against drug peddling activities which may be going on. And we are always continually booking cases against any person who is involved, who may be suspected to be involved in drug trafficking. And this is one of the very good examples of showing that how good intelligence can work out a very good case. And this is only due to efforts of my staff of Kalangut police station, whose hard work has finally provided success in the case. We would be continuing our investigation into other aspects of the person and whatever will be the ancillary aspects.
इतना बड़ा टोटल जो इसके पास से जब्त हुआ है, इसके पीछे अकेला आदमी है या और?
That is a part of investigation. Right now we have only arrested one person who was residing in the premises from where it was found.
What are the 2 previous cases as you mentioned?
There are 2 previous cases, one of overstay and one of NDPS Act. Both one in which he was convicted, and the other one, the status I don't have right now, that I'll have to provide. No, somehow we got to know about his involvement right now, so we raided that. No? If we had any knowledge beforehand that he was involved previously, we would have raided before. Abhi pata chala, so he had specific information. On that basis he raided. We are doing from time to time. We are doing that from time to time. Not from that point of view. Not from that point that he had any previous involvement. We were looking into persons who may be involved in the area. For that, intelligence was developed by TI Kalangut, and we found that there was one guy. So. We are doing that from time to time, but this case was not due to that we were. ये उस कारण नहीं हुआ. This was based on specific intelligence that there is a person who is residing there, and if it is raided, there may be some substances which may be found.